Are here. As always, I'm back to share a quick little marketing strategy tip with you today. And the topic I'm talking about is email nurturing. So you get those leads, they come closer to you. How can you nurture them? What do you say when they first sign up on your list? So I have 9 simple little suggestions to help you with this. Now, the first email that you send out should always be a link to that freebie. Hey, here's the link. And actually email 2 should also give that link, because let's face it, the inbox fills up, they lose it, they don't know where it's at. In that email though, remind them of the value, because again, their emails are probably packed full, and maybe they can't even remember why they signed up for your lead magnet. So remind them of the transformation, the juiciness that they're going to get out of that, so that they'll click on it. Okay. The second email that you could send out is just a quick little, hey, I thought of you. I found this great article. Now, what's nice about this, 2 things, is it's not your content, it's someone else's. So a quick little blog, a YouTube video, whatever it is, but it helps them realize that it's not just all about you. You're just sharing the goodness that you find, all of these nuggets with your people. The second valuable thing is you're training them and the email servers, because every time they click on a link, it tells the servers, oh, they want to see email from this person because they're interacting. So give them something to play with. I like to say, give them a link. Okay, so that's number 2. Number 3, if you watch one of my other videos, I said make sure you give value, and then sell. So on email 3, just a simple little email that says, hey, if we've never met before, this is how I help people, and just list maybe top 3 ways that you help people. If you want to know more, hit the link and we'll chat. Okay, very laid back, it's not offensive, and then people will be like, oh, I didn't know that she also built funnels in addition to coaching people. Okay, something like that. Email number 4 is if you create YouTube videos, or if you have a podcast, or even if you do Facebook Lives or a post, an engaging post, something of yours, share a link and just say, hey, this was one of the most popular episodes that I had on YouTube. I think you'll find it beneficial. Again, you're giving value, but you're also encouraging them to take a step closer by clicking the link. Okay. Email number 5 is actually give them something tangible in the email. So again, you're setting yourself up as the expert. So teach them something, give them some little nugget to help them move closer to the end transformation that you help people. See, where am I at? Number 6 is, again, now you can have a little selling message again, and you could just say, simple little email that says, hey, I'm looking for a few new clients in November so I can have some case studies. Are you interested? That's it. Don't add anything else. Don't add all the details. Just say, hey, I'm taking on a few new clients. Are you interested? All right. Email number 7 is you could just share like a favorite tool or anything that you use in your business. And again, you're not selling, but just say, I'll give you an example. One tool that I use all the time, it's called Snagit. Literally, I love this tool. It's a low price tool. Depending on how in-depth I want it to be, I could do a whole little video on it. I could share a link to the video, but most of all, tell people why that tool is useful to you and how it helps them. Email number 8, looking at my list here, is you could link back to a social media post. And there's you've probably seen these before where people say an unpopular post and maybe you get a lot of dialogue. So raise a little, not controversy, but just say, hey, there was a really interesting exchange about this post that I made. It's a little controversial. Click here to read it and let me know your thoughts. Again, you're sharing value, but you're trying to get the engagement. And then email number 9 is just, hey, how can I help you with XYZ? I'm here to help. hit the reply and let me know. And notice we put that way at the end because you're building value, and now at that point they might be ready. All right, this video's gone a little longer than normal. Apologize for that. Just rewatch it. I'm not going to recap the 9 emails, but that's going to get you well on your way. And as always, hit the subscribe button. See the link below if you want to know how I can help you. See you next time.